I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the HOWEASY brand, their portable power station. It has 2400 milliamp hour internal LiPo battery, has 210 volt outlets, one with the ground, one without the ground on there. Has 150 watt peak. You can put these two outlets right here. This is perfect for a CPAP machine as a backup, I realized. But it also has two 12 volt DC outputs right there, you can see, and they have the size and the manual what size they are. Type C output, two Qualcomm USB-A and one regular USB-A right there, 2.4 amps. You can see it's got a nice color green display, and it comes with the power supply that you could use to charge it. And I just noticed it is UL listed, which is great to see. You can also charge this with solar if you want. I'm going to show you how to actually charge this. And there's another way you can charge it with your 12 volt cigarette lighter, because it has the adapter for that also. Really cool, because you can see it has an LED light on the side and ventilation also. And it's real simple. You could, that was a low and then high and medium high, and then it goes to a SOS mode and then off. Really nice. On the side there is a handle. You could actually carry this around quite easily. And on this side there is the fan. There's your DC input, and you could run solar panels to this if you want to. And that will charge it if you so choose to do that. You could also just use the adapter that it comes with the charger. We're going to demonstrate that. And then we're going to test these outputs and charge various things with it. So you notice you got the output right here, AC, DC, hit DC, and DC output comes on, and that is those outputs right there. These USB A and C should be active all the time. So you could charge pretty much anything with this. It's just up to what you want, what you have. So let's just try this right here. I'm going to try this right here, which is the Qualcomm 2.0. So I have a Pixel 6, and the Pixel 6 will accept Qualcomm, and it'll charge this really rapidly because it communicates back and forth to it. Now if you have other devices, you can use this right here, and that'll work with any device. So here is an example. You could charge a baby monitor as an example, and you could also charge a ring light. And if you were to put the Qualcomm on there, let's just try that. It'll still charge. It just won't be communicating to get a rapid charge, but it'll still work perfectly. Now these DC outputs right here, you need to make your own cable, and then you can utilize those outputs. There's a maximum of 10 amps on those outputs. Keep that in mind. And that's a pretty decent amount of energy when you think about it. So this product, if I forgot to say, has a 2-year warranty. Gets excellent ratings. Only weighs 2.3 pounds, which is really lightweight. And 6.6 by 4 by 3, which is really small, and has an 88 watt hour capacity. And this should produce about 110 volts. That's typically what they do. The internal battery can be charged and discharged 1,000 times, so you're getting a great use out of this. There's also safety modes on here so that you can't overdraw on any of these outputs or the AC. It has its own battery management system for voltage control, temperature control, and advanced safety operations. There's also the cooling vents on the side that I mentioned, and those will come on the fan when you load down the AC. You hear it come on initially when you put it on. As you overload this or go near the 150 peak, they'll come on also. And there's short circuit and overload protection. An automatic will shut off the power to protect itself and the powered devices. So it's very simple to charge it. As I mentioned, you could use this in your cigarette lighter in your car, or use the included UL listed adapter, and it just plugs right into the side there. This is where you would put your solar input also, and you see it's got a real simple display. I love the green color on there, and it shows you the actual breathing and the charging, and they'll all be complete when they're all solidly lit up. And this unit comes with a nicely written instruction manual that shows you how to operate everything and all of the specs on it also, and the warranty information. So here's just an example. This is a 200 watt coffee grinder, a spice grinder. I had the LED light on here. And I'm using the ungrounded output because this doesn't have a ground. And you see it's running it fine. And the fan hasn't come on at all, even though it's 200 watts. Here's a multimeter on AC, and you can see it's about 114.5 volts on the AC output, and that's what these typical inverters or these power stations have. That's a normal output voltage. Here I want to demonstrate I have the output voltage being measured, and I'm running this 200 watt grinder, and watch what happens to the output. So it actually compensated and raised the voltage. So that's really interesting. So it sensed the load of this and it increased the voltage to compensate. That's really good. So after testing, what do I think about the HOWEASY brand, their portable power station with the 2400 milliamp hour internal LiPo battery and this cool dual ports on here, AC, and all these, the two Qualcomm, regular USB-A, DC outputs, Type-C, cool display, color, and this excellent LED on there in the front. Really nice product. Simple to operate, and as I demonstrated, it works great, and it has a 2-year warranty. Customers seem to love this product. I'm impressed with the quality of it. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.